and today in TikTok shop, we are going to see that how we can change the payment method. Like if you have credit card or billing method, any debit card, a bank account attached, which is out of balance, and you want to change the credit card or debit card. So we're going to go first to, we'll go there, see first in rules, and then we'll go to finance. Okay. On in finance, you can see these options: payment, promotions, invoices, transactions. Don't go to promotions or invoices, just click on payment and you will find these details here. See, so you have two options, like either you can add balance here or you can add, since see I have added this credit card, and you can add your PayPal or credit or debit card. That credit card could be from USA or UK or anywhere. Like I am using my USA credit card, so uh, it's in UK, but I'm using US one because I don't have any credit card in UK as of now. So I'm using that one, and you can add PayPal or credit card, either one of them. Okay, so and if you want to add a balance, you can add balance as well. Yeah, see, and I can add balance here. Like I want to add like 500, and then this will be added by VAT will be like 100 pound VAT and 600. So this could be added in my ad account, but I don't want to add because I want to use my credit card for ads. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share this one because most of the time, a lot of people they do uh, struggle to find these small options. I just wanted to record this short tutorial for them. Thank you so much. Have a great day.